Hello, I'm François-Frédéric Ozog. We're at Linaro Connect in Budapest, and I'm with Richard House, who is Vice President Digital Networking Software in NXP. And Richard, are you showcasing any technology today?
Yeah, so hi Francois, it's great to be here at Linaro Connect, exciting event. And I think what I'm most excited about that we're showing this time is we're working on a project that's making it a lot easier to take advantage of protocol and packet processing offload technology. So if you're building gateways or wireless devices, other networking equipment, the right mix of power and performance is really important to you. And what we're doing is we're showing how you can use a standard ODP API and then be able to take advantage of this technology. So the beauty of this is you can still have some really innovative technology lying underneath in the hardware, but you can make it much easier to use from a software perspective, and you can make it much more portable and able to use the same software that you're writing across multiple systems.
So this is all good news to have offloads being first citizens. I've seen video playback for 4K movie consuming 1% of CPU, but if you do that over the network, it's 15%. So offloads in the networking seems to be lacking. So what's your point of view?
Yeah, so I'm a longtime systems developer, and we've all seen this trend where software is eating the world, right? And it's still happening, but at the same time, the things that really mattered to hardware developers a decade ago still matter to them today. This size, cost, power, performance, all these things still matter. But I think what's really important is now you're seeing more sophisticated joint development between hardware and software so that you're able to create a marriage. And certain things just work much better when you get the two together. For example, if you're building a gateway and you want to do firewall function today at 10 to 20 gigabits of performance, we can do that at 5 watts. And that's something that you just can't do with a one-size-fits-all approach.
5 watts, so that's impressive. So you have presented very nice technology, but on the market there are fierce competitors on the telecom and cloud markets. How can you work together, on one side being competitors, but collaborate within Linaro?
Yeah, I think that's the beauty of technology like this, is it encourages us to still innovate and create IP that differentiates our product, that creates new customer value, but it does so in a way that makes it easier for the end customers, makes it where it doesn't burden them with complicated and proprietary software stacks. So it's the best of both worlds.
So Richard, you're actually working with your competitors inside Linaro, and how can it work nicely?
So I'm really encouraged by the things that I'm seeing this year when it comes to the overall ARM ecosystem. ARM's becoming you're seeing much more support in commercial distributions and how that world has evolved. You're seeing ARM, more and more packages supporting ARM by default. You're seeing ARM become a part of the CI loop that tests and ensures that everything works properly. So all these things are a great trend. We've still got a lot of work to do, but events like this are really supporting the overall ecosystem, and I'm seeing tremendous progress. I think this is going to be a really big year for ARM.
Well, thank you very much, Richard, and I'm really excited to go and see your demo with 20 gig of IPsec offloaded on the hardware, leaving the GPU, the CPU ready for applications. Thank you very much. So I think you have seen a number of good topics for OpenDataPlane, and if you want to be involved, please go to linaro.org and get involved.